Hi, I'm Sarah, videographer and motion animator. One really cool way to incorporate text into your video projects is by using an alpha matte to fill text with video instead of color. Let me show you how it works.
First, add your video to the timeline. Next, create your text layer and make any adjustments. This effect works best when the text is large, taking up a good portion of the composition. So we'll increase the size of the text and set the style to bold. Now we'll go down to the bottom of the layer panel and select Toggle Switches and Modes. This will allow us to see the Track Matte column. On the video layer, select the Track Matte dropdown and change it to the text layer. All right, so this so far is really cool with the black background, but let's kick it up a notch and add our original video back in as a background. Start by dragging the video from the project panel into the composition panel, making sure it's at the bottom of the layer stack. Now, we have a bit of a problem. Our text is completely unreadable, but we can fix that with a few effects. First, for this particular clip, I'm going to adjust the scale of the clip that's being used on the fill layer to create some separation. That's already getting better right there, but let's right-click the fill layer and add in a couple layer styles. Let's go with Drop Shadow and Inner Glow. We can make any adjustments that we want to get the effect we're going for. There we go. I think this makes a really cool title card for an Aurora Borealis video. When you try this in your own project, experiment with the layer styles and effects to create your own custom graphic.